everybody and welcome to another video. Before we get into this one, I'd just like to say thank you for everyone that gave me advice on what the noise was coming from my dash cam. It looks like it was the filter, but tightening the filter up means I get a lot more reflections on the windscreen here. But if I unscrew the filter a little bit, all them reflections go, but I get that horrible noise. So I have to sort something else out, I think. I will actually do a video on it to show you what I'm going to be doing with this dash cam. Anyway, today's clip, we are looking at the two lads that are just by the bus stop there on the left hand side. The first one, you'll see him look now. He's looking to see if he can cross the road. He can't, obviously, I'm here. He looks again and he's looking beyond me. And beyond me, there is nothing there. So he's just going to step out and walk across the road. Now, for all you people playing London Dashcam Bingo, the camera doesn't do it justice here, just how fast this Mini is actually going. It's actually catching me up pretty damn quick, and the kid has just walked out and he's obviously looking the wrong way. But remember, he has looked twice already, it's just that the Mini's going so fast. The other kid is actually looking the correct way and stops in the road, mind you. And the other one is, well, he's in the middle of the road before he actually realises that there's a numpty in a Mini that he's about to try and overtake me on a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit road with cars right in front of us as well. Yeah, if I hadn't done numpty of the week a couple of days ago, this clown would have got it. But I make the rules here.
Oh, numpty of the week.
Yes, I make the rules, so there can be two numpties of the week. But the serious part about the whole clip there was he looked twice, but when he stepped out, he was looking the wrong way. He would have noticed this idiot driving too fast towards him. His mate noticed it and still stepped out. Yeah, so maybe there was more than one numpty in this clip. Now in the next clip, it's time for me to have a change and have a go at the British workforce. Yes. Right in front of us is a school. Right there in front of us, behind them gates, is a school. We're going to come round the bend here, and these traffic lights are just an absolute joke. To have right next door to a school, there is no pedestrian part on these traffic lights. There's no red man, there's no green man, there is nothing on any of it. Now, it's not just about the school, because there are other entrances to get into that school, but it is a safety issue for anybody that wants to cross the road. And I'm going to show you this here with this young mum that's just turning up there on the right, two kids with her. She's not going to the school, but she does want to cross this road, but there is literally no safe option for her to cross this road at these traffic lights. As you can see, you've got people turning right and left into this road, so she can't go now. So when the traffic going across us has a red light, the road opposite us has a green light, as we're about to just show you now. Now that's got a green light, so she can't go then. And when they get a red light, we get a green light. But it's not just us getting a green light. The road to the right-hand side, they can turn left on a green light filter at the same time as when we get our green light. So it's a really dangerous road to cross. And it's got nothing there for pedestrians. Absolutely nothing. Now she's going. She's seen a gap and she's going. But look. You see how dangerous it is? There isn't enough time from the delay of the red light to the green light. It's just rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Sutton Council, you need to sort this road out. I'm amazed that there isn't more accidents here with pedestrians. Now in this next clip, as you know, I've got quite a lot of catchphrases. I feel like a game show host sometimes. But one of them is look further than the end of your bonnet. It's quite simple, isn't it? Look further down the road and then you might see things, and you will see how far down the road I actually saw this by the noise of the dash cam. When I press the button, it makes a noise. And using this method of driving could save your life, for one thing. It could save your car from getting into an accident, and it could save you some money in a fine or points on your license, because that's what's happening today. Just as we come to this roundabout here, you'll hear me as I just go past it. As soon as I can see them, then I click the clicker. So I'll click the clicker. What it is, all the way there in the distance, is two police officers with a speed gun. Now this road goes from a 40 miles an hour to a 30 mile an hour speed limit. But not to worry, take everything back that I've just said about police and all that sort of stuff, because they're bloody useless. Look at this one here. He's trying to see how fast the fucking bush is going. He's not looking at the road, he's looking into the bushes. What good is that? What an absolute muppet. His mate's gone walking around back to their car behind him and he can't work without his mate. Now, if he was pointing the right way, that there is an illegal e-bike coming straight towards him. And we're not talking about food delivery e-bikes that are just trying to earn money. That one are the dodgy ones. They're the dodgy ones that nick phones and all that sort of stuff. Bit of a difference. But he's looking the wrong way, so he can't see it. In the correct way, mate, you'd see an illegal bike coming towards you. Now, I'm going to give you another top tip on speed cameras, okay? I'm going to be going back the other way. So, obviously, I know them police are there. This is only a few minutes later. I'm going straight back towards them. Now, I know they're there. Don't do this. What this car's doing, it's trying to do me a favour by telling me that there are speed cameras there. I give him a wave and thank him. I didn't flash him, I just gave him a little wave and he gave me a thumbs up and that. But don't ever do that, because sometimes they put unmarked police cars driving towards them and they're looking out for people like that guy there who tried to warn me and flash me that there's police around the corner here. Now, that is an offence itself. You can actually get nicked for that yourself. Trying to do a good deed, you can actually get nicked. So let people figure it out for themselves. Let them look further than the end of their bonnet themselves. They're right out in the open. There's two of them there now. His mate's come back. Now, you know, if they can't look further the end of their bonnet, that's their problem. But they might avoid a speeding ticket, but you will get nicked for it. Or what they could do is actually just stick to the speed limit. That'd stop it. So in this clip, we're coming up to one of my favourites, the Fiat 500, the trainee Audi driver, and their dodgy lights again. This one's a little bit different though. I've not seen one like this before. As we come round the bend here, I will pause it when we get a little bit closer to this one. So now on this one, we've got a little side light on there and the big light is off. On the other side, we've got the big light on and the little side light is off. Any ideas what's going on with that? These cars are just amazingly shit, aren't they? Now, I know this area really well. I know it really well, like the back of my hand. And I know down the road here, there's a 30 mph speed limit camera. There's two of them there going both ways. I know it's there. So, you know, you stay under 30 miles an hour. It's simple. You should be staying under 30 miles an hour anyway. But when you see one of them, you go a little bit slower sometimes, don't you? I'm doing 28. When I looked down, I was doing 28 miles an hour going through that speed camera. Now, look behind me. Yeah, he's catching me up pretty quickly. And I'm doing 28, so I don't think he's doing 30 miles an hour. Now, look at this gesture that he gives me. Now, is that him stretching his fingers out because he's going to play the fucking piano later on? Or is he telling me to hurry up and get out of his way? What do you reckon? I expect more from a professional driver, stroke, paramedic, or whatever the fuck he is, to tell me to go faster. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought about that one. Was he telling me to go faster, or is he a piano player? I actually think he was telling me to go faster. Yes, very poor from a professional driver. And speaking of professional drivers, we've got another one coming up, and I've already done Numpty of the Week twice this week, so I can't do another one. The van coming out from the right hand side. Nice. Thanks, mate. I gave you no signal whatsoever. And now he does exactly the same thing to oncoming traffic. But this one is close to being an accident. Very close. And he's done it again, look. And now he's doing a 3-point turn in the entrance to that road. Morrison's, where did you get him from? Now, many years ago, I used to be a delivery driver for a department store, and you had to go through quite a few tests to be a driver. I bet they don't do that nowadays. Now, in this clip, I'm in Leatherhead, and once this van turns right, on the ground, you will be able to see a keep clear sign. It's a bit worn out, but there is a car in it. Yeah. In front of the car, there is a van. In front of the van, there is a red light. In front of the van, there is a red light. I don't know what he saw. They urgently need some eye testing out in Leatherhead. Now we're back in Carshalton for this one. We've got a car in front of us and a bus in front of that. The car in front of us, though, seems to think it's as big as a bus and needs the same amount of room as a bus. It actually swerves out to the left to get round this turning.
You don't have to do what a bus is. You're only a fucking car, you idiot.
I did look to see if it was one of Sadiq Khan's License to Kill assassins, but I couldn't see the yellow circle. Well, actually, they're blue now. My one's blue. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.